Today I want to tell you a fascinating story about balance and teamwork that keeps your body running smoothly. What am I referring to? The sodium-potassium pump, obviously. Let's picture this. I want you to picture your cells. They're tiny little fortresses. And sodium and potassium are the guardsmen, telling things what goes in and what goes out. Now, potassium. Potassium is like the introverted one. It likes to be inside the cell, and it guards all of the operations that's going on inside the cell. Sodium. Now, sodium prefers to be extroverted. Sodium likes to be outside of the cell, guarding the periphery, the perimeter of the cell. Now, what is the heart of the whole operation? You guessed it, the sodium-potassium pump. That is the heart of the operation that's working 24/7. It's constantly evicting sodium from the inside of the cell to the outside where it likes and prefers. And it's also luring in or drawing in potassium where it likes to run the operations inside. Now, for every 3 sodiums that the cell evicts from the inside of the cell to the outside, it lures in or draws in to potassium. And that gradient is what we call the sodium-potassium pump. Now, why is this in and out of sodium-potassium so important? 3 things, 3 primary reasons. Number 1, to power your nervous system. The very fact that you think about moving your hand and you actually moving your hand requires the gradient of sodium and potassium in and out of the cell causing an electrical impulse. And that electrical impulse allows you to do the thing that you want to do. And number 2, maintaining fluid balance. Remember that sodium attracts water. So when the inside of the cell evicts sodium, water goes with it. Now, you might be thinking that this might shrink the cell, but there's a perfect balance. That's why sodium's moving in and out of the cells, maintaining the fluid balance inside the cell and outside the cell. So you can see that since there's more sodium outside of the cell, there's going to be more extracellular fluid. And the third thing that is very important about this sodium-potassium pump is it's the body's pacemaker. This whole gradient, the sodium-potassium pump, is the foundation of our life. So in summary, the duo, rivalry, and balance between sodium and potassium in our cells, it's an amazing thing, and it's the foundation of our life. You guys have a great day. See ya.